Hey guys, do you want to make a simulator like this in Roblox Studio? Well, I can show you today. Alright guys, so you know the deal, we're gonna go into how to make a simulator, and today we are going to make a enemy, sort of enemy. So we're gonna make someone you can punch, and then we can get some gem, which is gonna be really cool. Alright guys, so you know the deal, so let's go back into how to make a simulator. Alright guys, so first thing I want to change is the cell, because the cell does not give enough money, so it's kind of unfair, and it takes too much time, meaning people just don't want to stay in the game. So we're gonna go to server script service and into the cell manager. Alright guys, so what I want to change is, I want to change these divided by 2 into 1.5, 1.5, and instead of here, we should put, math.round, and let's put new plus 0.5. This is gonna make it so it rounds up, and also we should get more money now because this is less, okay? So this here is to just stop the decimals, okay? So now, let's test it out. So let's play this and test it out. So, okay, and we have 51, and we should sell this, and yeah, it works perfectly. Yep. And we get a good amount of money now. Because it's actually really hard to, you know, boom, boom, boom. It's actually kind of expensive, so that helps it. And now, let's focus on the character. That's what we're gonna punch, obviously. So let's do avatar builder, rig builder, right, whatever, and mesh avatar. We're gonna build this guy, and I'm not gonna design him. That's probably gonna be for next episode. We're gonna design him, and yeah, that's just to save a bit of time on the video. Okay, so yeah, we have this guy here, right? He's our test dummy, and I'm gonna rename him to I don't know, Jimmy. Yep, this is Jimmy. This is Jimmy, okay? Alright, that's all I'm gonna change for now, okay? And the next video we'll change some more things, make him even better, okay? So yeah, and so now what we're gonna do is, so we're gonna just put him for now into replicated storage, okay? We're just gonna save him there, and we're just gonna make a folder for this. We're gonna call it guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it guys. I don't know, whatever. And I'm gonna just call it guys. Yep. Okay, so now we have that. Now I'm gonna put a script into spawn parts here. We're gonna put a script inside, and we're gonna call it the summon. I'm gonna call it the SummonManager. So SummonManager. Okay? Yeah, there we go. And then what we're gonna do is so let's get some here. Yeah, let's just do script up here, because we need to let's do a for I loop, because that's what we need. So for I, and we're gonna say spawn parts in pairs or I pair, whatever. I don't care. It doesn't really matter for this. And then we can just do script parent inside of here, and we can do get children. Okay, and then we're gonna do if spawn parts, okay, is a, and we're gonna say a part, okay? Then, so we're gonna check if any of these are a part. And what I also want to add in this map one folder is a folder for let's just put a folder for guys, I guess, because we need to put them somewhere, right? So we're just gonna keep them. And then in here, so if spawn is a part, then okay, now is the part where we need to make it so they can actually randomly spawn, okay? And what we're gonna do with that is we're gonna do local. We're gonna do okay, we're gonna make a loop, obviously, and we're gonna need a number. So what we're also gonna do is we're gonna do local amount of guys, okay, equals script.parent, and then we're do .guys get children, okay? And we're gonna say if hashtag amount of guys, and let's put a local, and let's put limit, okay? Limit, let's set it to 10 for now. And we're saying if amount of guys is less or equal to, actually no, less, just less, because we don't want it to equal or it can get more than 10. So let's do is if amount of guys, hashtag amount of guys is less than limit, then we can allow spawning, okay? Alright, and we can actually put this into a loop also. So how about we do that? Let's put it into a while. Let's put it into a task.spawn loop, task.spawn first function, and then let's put it into a while wait. Let's put wait, it's gonna spawn every second or something, and then let's put it into there. There you go. So if it's less, then now we need to calculate where it's gonna spawn. So we're gonna do local x equals game.workspace. Well, game.workspace, not really. So we can just do spawn parts, right? Spawn parts, okay? And then Well, yeah, this is for each instance of spawn part, so that's fine actually. So let's do spawn parts dot position. Yeah, let's do dot position, right? Yeah, okay. This is how we're gonna do this. Okay. So spawn parts dot position dot x, right? So we get x, and then let's do plus math dot random negative, and then we're gonna do game, actually, well, script dot spawn part negative spawn parts, okay, and we're gonna say dot size dot x divided by 2 comma game, well, spawn parts not game, okay, spawn parts dot size divided the x divided by 2. Okay, there we go. So then we're gonna copy this, paste this here, and we're gonna do the same thing. Where for z, we're just gonna change this for z, and for z. Okay. Reason why we're not gonna do the y position is because that can be just normally done by just putting spawn parts dot position dot y. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a clone also. So let's put our variable for that. So local rig clone. Well, yeah, let's do rig clone equals game get servers replica storage dot guys, and let's do what is bro's name? Jimmy clone. I'm gonna say so rig clone dot parent. Whoa, I did not mean that. Dot parent equals script dot parent dot guys. Okay, there we go. So now it's gonna clone it, put into there, and then we're gonna do rig clone find first child humanoid root part dot we could just do dot position, I believe. Dot position equals vector3 dot new, and we could put x comma, and then we could put spawn parts dot position dot y, and we could put comma z. Oh well, I forgot that, and there we go, comma. There we go. So now that should automatically spawn Jimmy's randomly. So hopefully this works. Let's test it out. Let's press play and see if that works. So it should just spawn Jimmy's, but not have like a real place for them. So it'll just be weird. Oh, whoa, damn, Jimmy's. And they did spawn in a random place, as we see. Well, okay, that's okay. Now I'm just okay. Whoa. Alright, they're kind of floating. So thing is, it immediately did it. It just immediately did a bunch. So I think that's because the wait is not long enough. So we have to do like 10. And also the Y position didn't really work, and I believe that's because of like this. And this is kind of hot. Actually, no, it doesn't collide, but basically it's not going to be great like that. So how about we just get the position of our floor? So let's just click on the floor and let's get that Y position. So let's just copy that. So 0.55. So we're just going to put the position. Instead of this Y position, we're going to put 0.55. So make sure this is the Y position of your floor and not exactly the one I'm using, because that might. So let's just test it out. They shouldn't all spawn at once this time. And we'll see, because it's going to take 10 seconds for this app. So, oh, whoa, 3 of them spawn at once. Okay, well, there's a problem. So we need to fix that, first of all, right? Yeah, so we need to fix that, obviously. So let's go back into here, and what we're gonna do is, alright guys, so what we're gonna try doing is taking this weight out, and we're gonna put true here. I'm gonna move this weight down here, or actually we could move this down here after all this, and then have to wait again. And also, I believe we should just remove these other spawn parts and just have one long big spawn part that just spawns here. Okay, yeah, so let's just try that out. It might do the thing though where it spawns like multiple. Oh, I actually went to there. Oh, okay, yeah, okay, but it is only spawning one, I see. Oh, whoa, yo, okay, for some reason when I touch them it's doing oh no, okay, the problem, okay, wait, let me see this. What is your issue, guys? Oh, okay, they're good. Okay, why are you moving? You see that? What is happening with this? Why are you moving? They're just sliding. Yo, they're just sliding across the whole, like, what is that? Yo, what are they doing? Whoa, bro, what? I feel like this has to do something with the cloning, but the thing is that doesn't make sense either, because some of these aren't moving over here. Yeah, what is happening over here? Yo, bro, I never told you to spawn there. Yeah, that's not even your position. Wait, let me just check the humanoid root part position. Hello? Okay, that's right there. Okay, and what is... Oh, wow. Okay. Yo, whoa. I mean, it is somewhat working, as we see, because they're like here. That guy's here. They're just here, right? So it is working somewhat. The only problem is some of them are just literally flying. Oh, I think it's taking its time, because they're cloning, right? And then they're just like, I don't know. That's strange. That's very strange. Wait, what the? Okay, and my Roblox studio crashed, bro. What the? Okay, look, a clone. Oh, holy damn. Okay, wait. So we actually no. Wait, what? Okay, first of all, we're clone. Okay, wait. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna move this cloning up here because for some reason we're calculating the positions before these are even cloned. So how about we do that first? Let's check this out. Right, so now bro's just here, but then when I touch him, why does it go to the right position? Wait, let me check on the server side. Oh, well, there's the issue. So on the server side, wait, oh, what in the world? Yo, bro, I don't think that's how. Oh, what the? Okay, no. Okay, what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna move. Okay, what we're gonna do is instead of just moving the position like this with humanoid root part, we're gonna try to use the move to function because I don't know what what is going on with that. Maybe okay, wait. Let me try something else because in my initial idea of doing this, what I do is I do this. Okay. Rig clone the humanoid root part and then set primary. Whoa. Okay. Set. Oh, okay. Wait. Actually, I'm right. Okay. Rig clone set primary C frame and then we do C frame dot new and then we just take these positions. Let's move them into here and then we could just get rid of it. Okay. Let's try that. I don't because things that are going on should not be happening. The things like the client there's like a bunch of things going wrong. Oh, nothing spawned. What happened? Is anything in, guys? Oh, Jimmy's here. Where's Jimmy at, bro? Oh, it worked. Okay, it worked. But they're under the map for some reason. Can bro not? Why are you under the map? Okay, wait. Let me just get the best perfect position for this guy. Okay, what is the perfect Y position? It's 1. Wait. Oh my daisy. Oh, okay. We're gonna go onto the server side here. We're gonna grab a Jimmy. Where's the Jimmy? Okay, that's the Jimmy. And we're just gonna move up. Oh, what the? Okay, they're doing magic. Oh, wait, yeah, okay. The perfect Y position is like 1. Okay, there's a problem with us putting 0.55. So make it 1. And also they're colliding with the ground, which makes sense, obviously, because ground has. Oh, it worked. Oh, bro, it's perfect. Yo, Jimmy, how you doing, bro? It's Mr. Beast. It's Mr. Beast, my G. Look at my glove thing. Okay, that worked perfectly. All right, now we're just gonna make a simple movement for them. Okay, so how about we just make them move? Actually, should we make them move? Or should we leave that for the next episode? Well, we'll figure that out, right? Yeah. So how about we make them move? Okay, yeah, I think we should do that. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a script inside, okay? And we're just gonna make the script disabled, right? And then we're just gonna call this movement, okay? And this is what's gonna make them randomly move, all right? So what's gonna make them randomly move. So also what I wanna do is when they're here and they're at their position, we're gonna do rig clone dot movement dot enabled equals true. Okay, and then that means is we're gonna do, so how long should it take? So let's do local cooldown. So this is gonna be the cooldown of how much it's gonna move. So let's make it so every 5 seconds to move. Okay, so let's do while true do, and then we're gonna do wait cooldown, and we're gonna first make the move, right? And then what you're gonna do, how about we just initialize some variables. Let's do local humanoid equals, well, how about we do local h equals script.parent.humanoid, local h part equals script.parent.humanoid root part, right? Okay, and how about we also get that spawn, the spawn parts. So let's do local, or should we get the spawn parts? So spawn parts folder, yeah, let's look at the folder. Spawn parts equals game.workspace.map1.spawn parts. There's the folder, and there we go. So also what I'm gonna check in the while true loop is, actually before we even do this, I always like to put it into a task.spawn function if we ever need to use anything outside of this loop, because this makes it so this can keep happening while we do something else, you know, outside of here or whatever. Okay, so now we got while true do, and then what we're gonna do is we are going to go here and we're gonna do an if statement. We're gonna do if script.parent, so script.parent equals spawn part. Actually not spawn parts, we're gonna do game.workspace. Actually for this we should do a wait for child map 1. Okay, yeah. Alright, and then we're gonna do game.workspace, wait for child, map1 dot guys. There we go. So it's gonna check if it is a parent of that to make sure. And then if it is, and we're also gonna move this wait later. After we get this movement done, we're gonna do, so it does that, right? And then what we're gonna do is we need to calculate the positions again, which we already do over here. So we can actually just copy these, right? Copy these calculations. We just put that there, right? So that calculates already the positions. And basically, I think that's basically all we really need to do. And then we can just copy this again, this, and then instead, well, actually, this time we're gonna use the humanoid move to, okay? That's what we're gonna do this time. We're gonna do script.parent. Actually, well, no, we already defined it, the variable for that. So which is h move to, right? And it's a vector 3, right? So we just copy this inside of here. And I'm not sure, do we put vector 3, Daniel? Because we could do that, or does it just want straight? Okay, we'll just check, we'll figure that out. So let's just take this here, put this in here, and there we go. So let's just test it out if it works. I think it might have an error because we put vector 3. Oh, whoa, position is not a valid member of folder. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, because we don't have the that part anymore. So what we can do to just fix that is we could just copy this for I statement, and we just put this here inside of here, and then we're gonna do if spawn parts is a part, then, and then we can just take all this and move it in here. There we go. And then also we're gonna change this name to be spawn part. There we go. Done. Okay, now it knows, oh, whatever is blah, blah, blah. Also, we need to change this side. So change this one, change this one, change this. All right, let's try it out. Okay, so let's test if there's an error. Oh, no problem. Okay, but will you move to a position, huh? That's the thing. Will it move? Will it move? Well, bro turned a bit, but then he didn't move. You gonna move or just gonna stay here? Hey, they're just staying. That's weird. You don't want to move? Yeah, he does not want to move. Okay, what we're gonna do is maybe, okay, what we're gonna try is, okay, let's try making this already. I don't know if that's gonna do anything. Let's just try it. So we can just get rid of this on this script, and there we go. So let's just see if this does anything. All right, so will you move? Okay, maybe also I might make the cooldown less because it's 5 seconds. What if I just make it 1 second? I know it's like super fast, but you know, just to try it out. Let's see, you're gonna spawn. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh, right, it seems like it's turning, but it's not moving, really. Yo, where are you going? This is so weird. Okay, you know what I'm also gonna try? Is instead of having this 4i loop, because I don't know about the 4i loop, instead we can just do local spawn. Okay, wait, hold on. Let me just move it. Let's remove this, and then let's also remove an end, and then we could just press the shift tab, and then we could just do local spawn part equals game.workspace, wait for child, map1, and then we could do dot spawn. Actually, wait, what am I doing? We could just do spawn parts dot, and then we could wait for child, spawn part 1. Okay, maybe that might work. Could try it. Let's try it out. Oh, whoa. Oh, expected that. Oh, whoa. It's not. Okay, wait. So it expected something that it didn't get. So let's see what the problem. So that's the end for that one. That's the end for that one. Oh, wait. Is this the wrong thing I'm looking at here? Yeah, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay. Oh, well, there's the problem. We don't need this. So let's just select all this. Shift tab. There. Okay, let's press play and test it out. All right. Let's see. Oh. Bro's moving. Yo, bro's actually moving. Bing, bing, bing. Okay, it's actually moving. That's really good. All right. So, yeah. There you go. Okay, so let's make it also maybe like 10 seconds each time it moves. Okay? Because it's a bit not good if it's like moving too fast. So, wait, are you going to move or... Oh, there you go. It's moving. Yeah, it's moving. Bro's moving. Oh, whoa. It's moving across the map. Damn. Yeah, now they're all moving in random positions. They're not going to move in the same place or whatever. They're moving on their own. Like AIs, bro. NPCs. Alright. There we go. The last thing I want to do for this video is I'm just going to bring out Jimmy again. Or actually, we don't need Jimmy. We can actually just make a new rig for it. So let's make a new rig, right? With rig builder and then the mesh avatar 2060. And then we could go to animation editor and let's make an animation. Let's make a run animation. Or well, walk. Let's just make a simple one. Okay. So how about we say bro's goofy. So let's okay, I'm gonna move his arm and then back. Just so yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And then on here we're gonna make it so maybe his arm is like this, and then his other arm is like this, and then his other leg goes forward, and then this goes back. So then he just keeps doing that, I guess. So then it's gonna be like boom, and then this one's like boom. Okay, this one has to, and then this one instead, yeah, it should definitely be like this, like that, and then it switches around. It's like this. This one goes backwards. So let's see. Okay, well, first of all, okay, let's restart this real quick. Let's first just start off by making it simple. So when you're walking, okay, yeah, let's this arm is gonna go back. Let's make so let's make this go forward and this go back, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do this. This one goes back. This goes forward. This goes forward. This will also go back like this. Okay, and then obviously we're gonna need to make it longer a bit because it's too quick. So it's like boom, boom, wait, boom, boom. Yeah, wait. So okay, the problem is also we're gonna remove this at the start and then work this. Okay, and then we can just copy this one, and then that's the distance. So we're gonna here, paste it in. So yep. So it's like this, and then it goes like this, and then it goes like that again. Then let's copy this and then paste it here. And then boom, boom, boom. Wait, so yeah. Hold on. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to make this animation even better. So wait, hold on. I'll be back with that. Okay, so this is gonna be my animation for the walking. So it's gonna be like this. Boom. I just made a quick, easy animation. So you guys just decide how you want to do it. So I just made a simple, like, so it just puts his arm up, and then I added some like rotation to the torso a bit in these 3 areas, and then I added it so it goes up and down a bit. Okay, so then we could just press the 3 dots, go to set priority, animation priority, and then action, and then we can, or you could set it to movement. Okay, yeah, let's set it to movement. And let's publish it to room. And then put it, if your game is in a group, then put it on a group. If your game is made by you, then put it on you. Okay? And for me, this game is made on a group, so I'm gonna put it on the group. Walking animation for Jimmy. That's what I'll call it. Oh, what the? See, that's Roblox breaking, so we're gonna go backwards and submit it again. And oh, submit. Okay, it doesn't seem like it's working. Maybe it could be because of the name. So let's say walking animation Jimmy. Oh, it seems like Roblox is having an error. I'll check back with you when Roblox is fixed. Okay, Roblox finally it let it work. Okay, so let's copy this, close it. All right, so there we go. Okay. So now we have that. So let's go into Notepad and save that for later. So I'm just gonna put walking anim for Jimmy boy. Okay, now we're gonna go into the movement script and we're gonna pull. Actually, what we're gonna do is, alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check if this guy is running. Okay, so yeah, so we're gonna do because I had a problem with this before. So if like it's not moving, you have to check if it's moving, or like you're just not gonna know when to play that animation for running, right? Also, what we're gonna need to do is go to the replicate storage and into Jimmy, and we're gonna add a animation object into movement, and we're just gonna call this walk, and then we're gonna put the ID in there that we saved. So copy this, and then we can just paste it. Okay, and then we could actually load the animation up here. We could do local anim equals script wait for child walk comma 1, and then we could do local load anim local walk load equals h load animation anim. There we go. And then we could do h dot running next function, and oh wait, it says speed. Okay, yeah, I guess we should get that. So speed, and we could do if speed I guess is more than 0, I guess, and then we should do walk load play. Okay, yeah, I think that's what we should do. And oh yeah, okay, so if it's more than 0, and then and play it. So then I guess else we shouldn't play it, right? That's how that should work, because if speed is more than 0, then else, yeah, okay. And actually, well, this should be 0. Well, let's test it out with 0, whatever. Alright, let's press play, and now the guy should have an animation while moving. Hopefully the movement work. Okay, let's see. Come on, we're moving. Oh, he's moving, and he has the animation. Boom, boom, boom. Oh yeah, he's moving. Yep, and it worked. Boom, 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 boom. Alright guys, so that's how we set up them moving, our enemies with moving, and the next episode we will make it so our Jimmies, we can fight them and they'll actually maybe have like some sort of like stop, because obviously we can punch them, right, but we also don't want it so when we're punching them they can just keep walking and walking, which is annoying, right? But we'll figure that out next episode. So hopefully, I hope this tutorial helped you, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. So Glue Cam is about inspiration and learning. So bye.